Subscribe be Nosy and turn on the notification bell to receive update.
Hi friends, welcome to this new video. I'm Anavin Shivram. You're watching the interesting channel Be Nosy. In this video today I'm going to tell you YouTube 5 amazing tricks which you must try and know. So watch till end to get the 5 amazing tricks. So let's go. Trick 1. How to skip a video. You can skip a video by 30%, 40% or up to 100% by just tapping the numbers on the keyboard. So open a video which you want and right click on the video, and here you can see an option called loop. Click the option loop. So let's try 3 and 6. See, you can see that 60% and 5 50%, and if you click 0 it will be start from the beginning. Trick 2. How to download YouTube videos. You will be downloading YouTube videos with the help of any downloaded or any software, or you will be copying the URL and you will be pasting in another websites which creates ad, but these are waste. So you can download your videos in HD or any format which you want. Open the video and on the top you can see. So change this between dot and white, add SS double A. Here you can see that a new page has been opened, and here you can download any video. Click on the tick mark. Here you can see that you can download this video on 720, 360, 240, 144. And by clicking the download symbol, you can see that your video is downloading here. Trick 3. How to download an audio, a song which you love. You only need the audio, that's the MP3. You can download the MP3, but the last trick which we have seen to download a full video with audio, but you can download an audio from YouTube. Open a video which you want, and on the top make some changes. Delete U from YouTube and add T. And this is the page which you can see, and you can download audio from your video if you want. By here you can save the time. I'm going to reduce the time which I want. Only I want the audio for 49 seconds. And here you can see, change the title name, Be Nosy, and house page affecting the video, and by clicking the record MP3 it records, and here you can see that the audio is downloading and the download completes, and if you open this you can hear only the MP3. Trick 4. Activate TV mode on your PC or laptop screen. Just you can lean back on a wall or on a pillow. You can sit comfortably and you can watch all your liked videos in TV mode in your screen. Open YouTube, and before YouTube add flash, lean back. Here you can see the page which has been changed to TV mode. And here you can search anything with home, with your subscription status, and many more. And search. And here you can see the Be Nosy. Click on any video which you want. And this is the TV mode, you can see down. And this is also called as theater mode, which gives you a HD resolution. And on the bottom you can see many of the related videos like this, and you can pause and play and have fun.
Trick 5. You can control any video by clicking on the letters on the keyboard. They are simple. You need not to click it for pause, play, rewind it or any more. Just open
Any video you want. For pausing the video, click K and it will automatically pause, and hitting the K another time it will resume, and click letter J for rewind 10 seconds, and here you can see that the video is rewinding. By clicking the letter L, the video starts 10 seconds. By clicking the F, you will be making your video on a full screen.
So if you like this video, you can like by hitting the like button, and you can comment your topics in the comment box below which can be discussed, and you can share this video, and don't forget to subscribe Nosy and turn on the notification bell to get amazing YouTube tricks, tips and many scientific topics explanation from Nosy. So until then, it's bye and see you all soon. Have a nice day.